Okay, hi everybody. This is going to be kind of a weird lesson because I have to videotape it myself and try to do the writing because nothing worked the way I wanted it to work. It's been one of those afternoons. I'm sure you've had one of those where everything you planned on happening doesn't happen the way you wanted it to. Well, this is one of them. Now, you may have noticed on Google Classroom that I put up a couple of things, and they are basically workbook pages from our regular student activity books. There's one that looks like this, and this is what I'm going to be doing in just a minute to model for you. And then there is one that looks like this. And this is the work that I want you to do. So you can pull up this page on your computer and then copy it onto a piece of paper. It's probably the easiest way to do it. I couldn't figure out how to get it to print. Maybe you're better with computers than I am. But this here is what you're going to be doing on your own. Okay? So, back to what I was able to print, which is this here. And we're working below the blue line right now. So, we're just taking a whole, which is what you see there, and we're going to be dividing it into equal parts. Now, when you take the whole and you don't divide it and you shade the whole thing, it's one. It's one whole. Now, if you take the whole and divide it into two equal parts and you shade one part, then you have shaded 1/2. Okay? Now, if you take the whole and divide it into three equal parts, you come over here and you shade one part, then 1/3 has been shaded. Go over here, divide the whole into 4 equal parts. Come over here, we're going to shade one part. So now we have shaded 1/4. Come over here, divide the whole into 5 equal parts. Shade one part. So we have shaded 1/5. Come over here, looking here now, divide the whole into 6 equal parts. Come over here, shade one part. So we have shaded 1/6. Okay, come over here, divide the whole into 7 equal parts. Come over here, shade one of those parts. So we now have shaded 1/7 of the whole. Okay, come over here, divide the whole into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to shade one part. So we have shaded 1/8 of, this is so hard, I'm sorry you guys, we've shaded 1/8 of the whole. Okay, so knowing that, now you're going to work on this, and unfortunately, when I printed it, it did not print the words. All I have are the fraction bars, as we'll call them. So I have to look at my computer and see the words, hold my phone, and try and do this all at once. So we have divided this into 5 equal parts, right? So that's 1/5. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let me set you down for a second. I'm sorry. Okay, let's try this again. 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. So 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 5/5, which is the whole thing. Now, the instructions say here, shade 2 parts. So we have shaded 1/5 plus 1/5, and that equals 2/5. Okay, so that's the model. So now I want you to do the rest of this page following the instructions that are on the document I shared in Google Classroom. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Okay, it's this document here. And I'm gonna stop this video and do the work, and then I will come back and do a second video, and you can check your work.